Man, Cheddar Barber, yeah, and today is a special day. I'm gonna cut my hair, and I'm going to MVP Barbers, located in Gonzales on Ireland Highway, Site C. You feel me? I just feel like, man, it's time for a change, dog. Time for me to cut my dreads off and start all over. So yeah, stay tuned.
So, Cheddar, what made you want to cut your hair?
Honestly, son, I just felt like it needed to be a change in my life, and I feel like, you know, maybe I'll have a more professional look.
Do you like your new hairstyle?
To be honest, I feel more formal. You feel me? To be honest, I don't want to laugh or nothing, but I'm being realistic right now that I feel like, you know, I may have a more opportunity to get a job. More people might look at me as professional. You know, that's probably it. But yeah, I love my hairstyle though. To be honest, I thought I wasn't gonna like it, cause you know I'm so used to dreads. I've been having it for 3 years, and it's fire. I ain't gonna lie, I like it.
What's your review on the person who cut your hair, the barber?
I've been getting my hair cut by Traven for like years, so you know, without a doubt, the haircut was gonna be fire either way the cut go. I've been with his shop since he had the shop way down the road.